Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make thick potato soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of russet potatoes, peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes. Also, have 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth ready. Don't forget 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of chopped onion, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. These are the foundational elements for a truly delicious and hearty soup. Now, let's build some amazing flavor. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté it for about 5 minutes until it's nice and translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Then, add your diced potatoes and pour in the 4 cups of broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil. To achieve that perfect thick consistency, reduce the heat after boiling and let the soup simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are very tender. Now, for the magic. Mash about 2/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot using a potato masher. This releases their starch and naturally thickens the soup. You can also blend 1/3 of the soup in a blender for an even smoother result. This method ensures a rich, creamy texture. Almost done. Now stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of butter. This adds a luxurious richness and velvety texture. Season your soup generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Heat the soup gently for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring it doesn't boil once the cream is added. Serve hot, garnished with fresh chives, shredded cheddar cheese, or crispy bacon bits for an extra special touch. Enjoy your homemade thick potato soup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.